Ever notice how you are the one who's holding everything together, but no one ever notices that you are drowning? You're not tired because your life is busy. You are tired because you became the emotional shock absorber for everyone around you. You're the strong one, the fixer, the calm, stable friend, partner, coworker. But the strong one eventually snaps. Emotional overfunction is not who you are. It's what you learn to do to feel safe. When you stop managing other people's reactions, when you stop volunteering for emotional labor that was never yours, your clarity returns, your confidence rebuilds, your capacity and income expands. You get more time, more peace, and more power back than you've had in years. Follow me if you're ready to stop emotionally overfunctioning and start leading your life with boundaries, with clarity, and with ease.